The
following
next
day.
day.
3 hours later.
The next day.
Tomorrow for sure.
The next morning.
Meanwhile, 2 seconds later.
2,000 years later.
2 hours later.
1 hour later.
A few moments later. Wow! 2,000 years later.
Aww.
A few moments later.
A few inches later.
1 hour later.
2 hours later.
A few moments later.
A few inches later. 2 hours later.
1 eternity later.